We're going to be solving this quiz today. So if you take a look, you're going to have in stock, so there's yes or no. And you'll notice that since there's one with it not in stock, when you calculate, it's going to say CD is out. So we're going to have to change this to a Y in order to check out. So we're going to go ahead and do that within our for each loop. So we'll go ahead and get started. So notice that each one is in a category. So we're going to have to separate these by if statements and have a condition for each. So first, we're going to make sure that these, when you select an item in the grid view, it appears in the details view. And you'll notice that the select query is where ID equals IDE, and then IDE equals the grid view. So we're good there. And I went ahead and declared the variables. So these are going to keep the totals, and these are going to keep the ints. So it's going to keep how many there are. So we'll start with the first label, which is just what you chose. Now we'll go ahead and get in there for each. So within here we're going to have if statements, and this is going to check the text of whatever we selected. We'll also look for lowercase. So then if that's true, we're going to go ahead and keep the total. Then we'll make else ifs. And these are going to be notice you can keep the rest of the code the same because all you're searching is for the cell. We're also going to change these. And then the else is just going to be whatever else is taken, so it's going to be under miscellaneous. So that'll take the miscellaneous items that aren't in these categories. So also within this for each, we're going to check if the in stock is yes or no. In cell 5. So if this is true, then str. This will get what item it is. And we can go ahead and get out of this and start our output. But first we need the total. So we got that in the previous line of code right here. So if that condition's not met, we can go ahead and complete our label. And then we'll get the total. And then we're also going to need to data bind the insert, updated, and deleted. So whenever an item is inserted, updated, or deleted, the grid view will be data bound. Put a plus equals here, and then we'll go ahead and run it. And you notice if we calculate now, it'll check out. So that's the complete total. That's correct. But if we change this to no, it won't calculate. So we're just going to have to switch that to yes or delete the item.